Okay. So we were discussing the fifth topic. Iram was discussing about the Baltic nations. She has talked about the importance because like it has happened for the first time that a high level delegation has gone from India, like Vice President of India has visited all the three Baltic nations together. Okay. Why these nations are known as Baltic nations? Because like they are in the neighborhood of the Baltic Sea. So like they have got their name from the Baltic Sea itself. And these nations are Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania from north to south. Okay, Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. And the thing is, like all these three nations are members of the European Union. They are members of North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which is known as NATO, and they are also members of the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, okay, which is an intergovernmental economic, like cooperation body. So these countries are like these countries have high development index and they have high income also. And so you can see like on this screen, we have shared this particular screen where you can see the location of the Baltic states. Okay, Baltic states means here Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. So like which other countries are they, bordering? They're bordering with Russia, Belarus, Poland. Okay, Russia, Belarus, and Poland. And with Russia, they share borders at two places. So here we can see with Russia, actually, Estonia is sharing border, Latvia is sharing border, as well as Lithuania is sharing border. It simply means all the three Baltic nations are sharing border with Russia. This is an important information that you can remember. And all the three nations actually share, like maritime border with the Baltic Sea. To the north of it, we have Gulf of Finland. To the west of it, we have Gulf of Riga. Okay. So here we can see Irben Strait also over here, and we have one important lake. So it is not properly visible. I guess it is Lake Votus. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, and then Baltic Highlands. So you can locate this particular information. You can go through the detail of these maps. So they will help you in answering a question if it comes in the prelims exam. Okay, so let me check once again if Iram has joined. Okay, Iram has joined. So Iram, can you please continue the discussion?
Yes, sir. So basically, you have tell all the things regarding the Baltic nations. I am just repeating once again. So the nation name is the Estonia, Latvia, and Lithuania. So these nations are named as the Baltic nations because these are surrounded by a sea which is called as the Baltic Sea. And all of the nations, that is the Estonia and Latvia and Lithuania, is surrounded by sharing border with Russia as well. Now, what is the important feature? Is related with these nations are member of European Union, then NATO, and then OECD. So I was discussing about the NATO. So basically, NATO stands for the Non-Atlantic Treaty Organization. It is also an intergovernmental body, but it is a generally military alliance. Like basically, जो भी इसके members हैं, like 30 members हैं around in the North America and the European countries. So they signed a treaty in 4th of April in 1949, and so what they constitute a system of collective defense, a system of collective defense की like if any external कोई भी attack होता है in nations पे, so जो इसके NATO के parts हैं, so they will defend each other कोई किसी भी external party के attack से. So basically it is a maritime है, like basically defending in the sea or oceanic regions. Headquartered in Evier, Brazil, that is in Belgium. So this is one thing with the NATO. And the second thing which I was discussing about the OECD was that it stands for the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. It is also an intergovernmental but economic organization. The NATO was the military alliance, but OECD is an economic organization having 37 members, and it is founded in 1961. Basically, it is founded in I guess not in 1961, but prior to this, but it was named something else. So it is named or reformed in 1961 basically. So इन nations के बारे में इम्पॉर्टेंट ये है कि क्योंकि ये OECD के मेंबर्स हैं, तो जनरली जो भी नेशन OECD के मेंबर्स होते हैं, दे आर हैविंग द हाई ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंटल इंडेक्स और एंड हाई इकोनॉमी एज वेल. So इसलिए इंडिया के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इन अगस्त 2019 visited there regarding the permanent membership of the United Nations Security Council, as well as to improve the economic relationship between these nations as well. So India is not a member of OECD, but India has joined initiative that is known as BEPS, that is the base erosion and profit shifting. So ये एक economic terms है when we discussed regarding the taxation system and the money laundering. So this term जो भी shell companies outside होती हैं उसके लिए एक inclusive framework रखा गया था OECD के द्वारा, जो कि India was a part of that BEPS, but India is not part of or member of OECD directly. So this is the thing, and this is all from my side.
Okay, so I would like to add some points to the discussion that she has already had. She had an excellent on the topic, okay, based on the articles that have been shared. So the thing is, NATO, when we talk about NATO, it is an intergovernmental alliance between different parties, okay? So it includes the United States of America and most of the European Union nations, and then it has Turkey as its member. So the largest, contributors to NATO are United States and Turkey. And recently there was some dispute going on between Turkey and United States of America. So Turkey has threatened that like it will stop funding the NATO as a body. And why it is called as an organization for military cooperation. It is an organization which is talking about the collective defense, because this is an organization. So if we go by the charter or the treaty of the NATO, so in that particular treaty there is an article. The Article 5 of NATO talks about the attack on any one of us will be considered as an attack on all of us. Okay, so in that case, if any one of the member of NATO is attacked or threatened by any other foreign nation, so they will treat it as an attack on the entire alliance. So the thing is, in that case, everybody will together fight back against that particular enemy. That's why the members of NATO are most secure and safe countries in the world. Okay, that's why people from around the world do not take the courage of threatening or using any kind of force against the NATO members. So this is the thing. Okay, so anyone having any questions on the topics that we have discussed today, like in any topic that we all have discussed today?
No, sir. Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay,
no,
welcome.
sir, no, sir.
So all of you today were really very productive. So you guys had taken 1 or 2 articles. Okay, but the thing is, the way you have discussed, this discussion was fruitful for everyone. So the thing is, you have to put similar efforts, and at the same time, all of us are required to adhere to the time limit. So like I told, like by 10 a.m. in the morning, you have to actually, fulfill your obligation that I have shared in the group. Okay, this is one thing. And apart from that, like I'll be sharing in the same manner, and then after we had discussion, so like other people can also visit the links that I have shared. Okay, to learn more, they can make their own short notes, and after making short notes, try to share it in the group, so that as a collective effort, the group becomes a team, so that like everyone from this particular team actually cracks the examination. This is one point. And so Ashutosh has asked me what is the rationale behind creating 2 groups, like from the team that we had. Basically what happens over a period of time, if I'm giving individual responsibility to everyone, so sometimes a person may be lacking. So if we divide like into 2 groups, so there will be some competition between these 2 groups. And let's consider there is a group, and in that group one person is not able to perform because of some reason, okay, may not be able to join a particular day. But like the obligation or the kind of duty that that person has to perform, that duty can be taken up by other members of that particular group. If we have 2 groups, in 2 groups, let's consider there are five people. Okay, so if one person is not performing from a particular group, so other 4 members can take some initiative to fulfill the obligation of that member, so that member's duty is also performed. This is the thing. Okay, so this is the idea behind creating the group, and like we are going to name the group in such a manner so that like those names also resemble some of the governance related aspects. Okay, so I'll be sharing the names of those groups, and the thing is I'll be telling you as giving you responsibility, collective responsibility as being members of that particular group. Okay, and you have an individual responsibility also to fulfill your obligation. Okay, so this is all that I had to discuss. And so I talked about that I'm going to share some questions. Okay, those questions I'll be sharing in the group itself. Okay, 2 questions will be from general studies perspective, 1 question will be from CSAT, and one of those from GS like will be actually from the gravitational waves that we have discussed today. Okay, so while Iram was discussing about gravitational waves, she came across the speed of light. So speed of light is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. This is the speed of light, and gravitational waves also travel with the same speed. Okay, this is the thing. And I hope like everything is all right by this time. So I'll be just so I won't be sharing any material at this point of time. I'll be sharing only the questions. Okay, questions that I had to share. And then you need to refer back to the Shankar IAS book. You need to see what do we mean by protected areas, what is the difference between wildlife sanctuaries and national parks. So she has discussed really well, but I'm not very sure whether I was able to record the second session, because like I may have forgot to record the second session. I have recorded the first session, and third session is being recorded. Okay, so if a second session is also recorded, so like I'll be uploading them, I'll be sharing in the group so that you can refer back. Okay, so this will act as a repository also. So people who were not able to join today because of any reason, so they may be able to see it. Okay, so like later on, you can also revisit these things so that like you can simply revise from this. Okay, Meher has to say something to us.
Yes, sir. So, जैसे आज हम सब लोगों ने ये डिस्कस किया ना अपने अपने तरीके से, तो आप बताएंगे कि कहीं पे किसी को अगर वर्क करना है, जैसे मैं अपना बताती हूँ कि मुझे कहीं पे अगर वर्क करना है कुछ इसी डिस्कशन में मुझे कुछ कहीं पे ज्यादा ऐड करना था या कम करना था, आप ऐसे इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे हमें बता दें ताकि हम नेक्स्ट टाइम के लिए उस पे वर्क करें. थैंक यू.
Okay, so the thing is you have discussed it really well. Okay, one thing is like whatever topic you are taking up, so I am sharing you multiple links. From those links, after you read a particular topic, make a short note of it. Okay, make a short note of it for yourself, and after you do the discussion, share that short note in the group so that other members also get to know how to make the short notes, and they will also be sharing their short notes. So like it will help every one of you. Okay, so start working on the short notes wherever possible. Make mind maps also, that will also be helpful. Okay, and
So,
the PDF that I have shared with the link, so that PDF will always be there with you. So that PDF you can refer back anytime, but like it is not recommended to read all the sources again and again. You can just shorten your notes. Okay, so this is the thing. So whatever I told, it is like this is I address to every one of you. Okay, so Mubashira, so it is with reference to you, with reference to Marine, with reference to like so everyone like who has participated in the session. So make a short note of the topic that you are discussing. After discussing, okay, share that short note in the group, and then you can take benefit from the other person's short note and make it make a short note for yourself. So every day if you do this practice, your static portion will become strong, your current affair will become strong, and you will be able to actually perform better over a period of time. Yes, Marine has to say something again.
तो मैं बोल रही थी कि जो आज डिस्कस किया तो वो डिस्कशन का वे आपको ठीक लगा ना, मतलब इसमें कुछ ऐड
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा, नो प्रॉब्लम, बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन है. यस
सर, इफ पॉसिबल हम लोग जो टॉपिक अलॉटेड रहता है, जो असाइन करते हैं, वो अगर हम एक दिन पहले ले, लाइक अगर आपने कल जो सब्जेक्ट पर्टिकुलरली से फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, बट से इफ पॉलिटी इज देयर फॉर टुमारो, सो हम वो जो टॉपिक्स हैं वो आज रात तक ही डिस्कस कर लें, जस्ट द डे बिफोर द डिस्कशन, icon so that content will be available, and means like जो दूसरे plans हैं that will not be disturbed for that. Means like
So
अगर
you
हम
can
10
do
बजे
one thing.
करते हैं.
Okay, so by any time tonight, okay, maybe by 12, by 1, anytime you come, okay, you fulfill that responsibility that I have given in the group. Okay, so tonight itself you can give. So I have kept the deadline. Deadline does not mean like that is the exact time that you have to share. Deadline means by 10 a.m. in the morning, you have to actually, share your things so that like I can be free from my side by assigning the topic. So as soon as you can do, as soon as I get some important, like topics, I'll be sharing from my side.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So that's a good thing that you told.
Sir,
Yes.
so you were talking about some time management. So what was your intention behind that, sir?
Time management related to? Okay, so in the beginning of the discussion, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, time management was with reference to like I have given some task to every one of you. Okay, so that task has to be done on time. Okay, so every one of you is expected to see what I have written in the group. Okay, at least see my messages in the group because my messages are addressed to every one of you. If you're missing my messages, it means like you are missing important communications. Okay, then you can respond. So I'm actually like following up everyone's message over there in the group, but the thing is you guys need to actually follow what I'm sharing in the group. Okay, so that like you do not miss any important communication from my side.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, welcome. So thank you everyone for joining today's session. Like you all were very productive today. Okay, so I'll be uploading these videos also. I'll be sharing in the group. So as I told, like I may have missed the second video. I'm not sure if second video is also recorded, then I'll be like, uploading that thing also. So first and third video, I'm very sure like these are getting recorded. Okay, so that's all from my side. Thank you so much for joining the session, and try to like do your duty tonight itself and share me the topics from your side. Okay, then I'll be assigning the important topics to you.
Regarding polity,
So
we
thank you
have to share
everyone.
the.
You have a good day. Bye bye.